Biggies!
Are you left?
Yeah, I'm on the road.
I'm in Fishwick. I'll fill up with gear and then be on my way.
I'm meeting Maddie up at what's calling Eagle Hawk. So good to go. You all set?
Yeah.
Rightio.
See you then.
Catch up. Bye. Night one, not much to it, but we're heading to Burlang Campground, which is right near the Big Hole. So we'll camp there tonight, a few beers and a fire, then go for a quick stroll over to the Big Hole, check that out, and then we're going to do an all-day drive, Manuma Range along there, and then up onto American Beam and down to Dry Creek Campground. So hopefully lots of cool four-wheel driving tomorrow. Here's to beers, camping and four-wheel driving and no kids. Yeah, that's it.
What are you doing? It's busy out here! Alright, that's the way.
Yeah, she's going.
Cheers.
Big brown hole. You can swim down here apparently. I didn't realise we were at water, so it's probably not a bad spot to camp after all. Oh, Ladbroke! He's nearly gone in.
Better put it with one hand.
Alright, we're through, we're dry.
Bit hot there, Maddie.
Yeah, mate. 2 jackets with a bit hot.
Here we go. This is the moment. The big hole. Holy dooly.
Yeah, that's a big hole.
Far out.
Oh yeah, it's a big hole.
Woo! Shit. Wow. Feel the breeze coming out of the thing.
Working?
Oh no, tell me about it.
Here we go. Here we go. I hope you can see that on the video.
You ready?
Bingo.
Started on day 2, we're heading up Cooma Road. We're going to turn off and get onto Manuma Range Fire Trail and drive that all the way back north.
Couple of sharp corners.
Thanks, Ladbroke. And then we're going to turn right onto Mongamula, which heads up onto American Beam, and hopefully there's some nice steep climbs in there, but not real sure, never done it. So this is all new stuff, but it's absolutely blowing a gale. Like, it is full on. a little bit upset because there won't be much drone action, I don't think. So we'll see how it pans out though. You got one of those fancy ones. I got this as a freebie from 4-Wheel Drive Super Centre. My hair. What kind of deflator do you have? What's that? Another. You got two? Let's get this on camera. This is, Paul's got two of these. Is this a gift?
Be a gift.
Could be.
Could be.
This is, Paul's got two of these. Is this a gift?
Yeah, mate, it's all yours. You're a legend.
Let's get... I don't know how to use it though. We got a log. We got a live one.
You'll make that.
Ah, easy. Look bigger.
It does.
Dampier Mountain Tree. Go line up next to Matty. Get a quick photo here. Line up the cars. Can you get the shot, Ledbrook? Happened, mate.
Mate, the firewood come loose. Nearly lost it out back. Come on, hurry up, get in.
This is a pretty amazing spot. Our track's just here, and then it just drops off massively.
Penetrate through.
See that fire up here near the...
So you're pretty impressed with your VMS?
No.
It sounds like a beauty.
No. See, look. Here, this follows your map, right? This is where we are. Fair enough. So we want to go down, and then it goes to the edge of the map.
And you
So
can't. Yeah, you got. That's
see
what
the edge
mine
of the
does.
map, and now it's like how the.
So how do you get the next map?
I don't know. It'll automatically go there.
Once you're driving. Very good.
No.
You want to put a waypoint? Might just 4 drive action boys love these things. They're obviously pulling your leg when they say how good they are.
Ah, no. It's shit.
So it got dark all of a sudden. We're in rain.
Hopefully this wind just blows this rain over and then settles down.
Lunchtime. Righto. Coffee and donuts after lunch. Hell yeah. Brought to you by Canberra Milk and bloody chamomile over here.
Green tea.
Green tea, sorry.
Chamomile. And Nashi bears. No beers and bloody bourbon like Shannon. We're missing you, Shannon.
Yeah.
Not.